Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to create borderless text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document, then create blank document. Then we go to the insert menu and create a text box to select any text box. Now we write something in this text box. Then we click the text box and go to the shape outline and click no outline. Now we see in this text box are created a borderless text box. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.